Okay, everyone. By this level, you should be able to identify each of the different properties of a wave. So now I'm going to walk you through how you can calculate them. This is our wave velocity equation. Remember, V stands for velocity, which is basically the same thing as speed. And that's equal to our wavelength times the frequency. So the velocity of a wave is how fast a wave is traveling, and that's measured in meters over seconds. The wavelength is the distance between a point on one wave and the same point on another wave, and that's always measured in meters. The frequency is the number of waves passing a point in a given amount of time, and that's measured in hertz, which we abbreviate Hz. Now, because this is a 3-variable equation, we're able to use our triangle of knowledge. So for those of you guys that don't remember, when we're using this triangle, we cover up the variable that we're solving for. And what's left over will tell us how we solve for it. Remember, things that are on top of each other are divided. And things that are next to each other are always multiplied. So down below, I have an example problem I'm going to go through with you to show you how we plug our numbers into our equation. It says a wave has a frequency of 5 hertz and a wavelength of 30 meters, and it's asking for its velocity. So when we go through to plug in our equation, we have velocity is equal to wavelength times the frequency. So to solve for velocity, all I do is take my two numbers and multiply them out. When I do that, I get 150. Don't forget when you're solving these problems to show your work and give your answer with the correct units.